This is the current situation right now. Some group of terrorists has been apprehended along Acho and the men of the DSS have intercepted them. And if you can look very far from you, you see them on a big truck. Yeah, these are suspected armed bandits. So we are waiting to see what is going to happen next. They are being intercepted by the men of the DSS. You can see people that are familiar with Abuja. This is DSS quarter behind Acho Villa. You can see them coming. They were loaded like a goods. Look at the motor of the security behind them. I'm telling you. Yes, now. Why they are taking them back to the barracks now? Now you can do like this now. This one's a joint task force. Joint task force.